In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos using Widget Connector in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to embed a YouTube or Vimeo video so it plays right on your Confluence page. No extra clicks required. Start by grabbing the video link you want to use. Open the video on YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported platform and copy the direct URL from your browser's address bar. Using the full direct link works best. Avoid links that require a login or links that point to private content, since those often won't display. With your link ready, switch to your Confluence page where you've already added the Widget Connector macro. When the macro is selected, look to the right-hand panel. You'll see a field labeled Website's Widget URL. That's where the magic happens. Paste the video URL into the website's widget URL field. Confluence will recognize the link and prepare the embed. If you want a quick default placement, you can stop here and move on. But if you'd like the video to fit a specific layout, you can fine-tune the size. Setting the size is optional, but helpful for a consistent look. In pixel width, enter a number like 600. In pixel height, try 400. Keep your dimensions proportional to avoid a stretched look. For widescreen videos, 16:9 ratio is typical, such as 640 by 360 or 800 by 450. If you leave these fields blank, Confluence will use the default size for you. By the way, if you need to get Confluence or want more details about this feature, there's a link at the top of the description to the official site and to the Widget Connector help page so you can follow along. When you're happy with the preview settings, choose Insert or Apply, depending on your version of Confluence. You'll see a placeholder block appear in the editor that represents your embedded video. This confirms the macro picked up your link correctly. To make everything live, click Publish at the top right corner of the page. Your video will now appear directly on the page, ready for anyone with access to watch without leaving Confluence. In today's video, before we wrap up, the Widget Connector works best with public URLs from platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. Private or restricted links may not show up properly, even if the URL looks correct. That's all you need to embed videos with the Widget Connector in Confluence. If this walkthrough helped, be sure to check the links at the top of the description for more resources, and thanks for watching.